Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode is cool mix right here, and basically what these are some shorts. You can use this for like working out, or if you want to use it daily, you can definitely use it however you guys want to. But the one that I got right here, it comes with a pack of 5 shorts. So I'm actually open up and show you guys what it actually looks like first. Alright, so when we take it out, you can see that this is basically what the product looks like. Let me take out each one of them to show you guys what it actually looks like. So right here we have the first one. If you can see, this is what the pattern or design looks like. And also one thing to note is that when you guys buy the shorts from this brand in particular, they actually have a lot of different design and different colors. So whether you guys want like all black design, or if you guys want like mix of like different color design like gray, silver, black, or whatever, they definitely have a lot of different combos that you can select from. But majority of them are like a set of 5 of them, which is what we have right here as well. So this is the first one that we have right here, and when you guys feel the material on here, it definitely feels really nice. It definitely has that like mesh design right here, so that way the shorts feels really nice and super comfortable, but also has that like breathable option as well. So that way if you guys sweat a lot, it definitely have that room for your pants to actually breathe, so that way the sweat doesn't stay inside, and that way it actually will not feel like super hot or anything, which is super awesome. So right here we have the first one, here we have the second one, here we have the third one, and right here the fourth one, which is all black design. And then right here we have the 5th one. If you can see, this is more like a black and white design that kind of looks like the Adidas pants, if you can see. And that is basically what all 5 of these look like. So if you can see, all of them actually looks like a high quality shorts. It actually feels really nice. Obviously you guys cannot feel it, but when I actually feel the shorts, it definitely feels really nice and super smooth and super soft. Mainly because the shorts is like mesh material, so it definitely feels really nice. Let me just go wash and dry this and then go put it on to show you guys what it actually looks like, and then we'll come back and talk more about it in a second. Alright, so these are the Adidas shorts that I'm using for a really long time. I actually really like it a lot. The overall design and the feel of the actual shorts actually feels like a high quality shorts. You can see how the foam fits inside and nothing sticking out, which is pretty nice. Let me take this off and show you guys the other 5 to show you guys what those look like compared to this one. Alright, so here is the first one. If you can see, this is the blue color, blue design. So when we actually put it on, it definitely feels really nice. I definitely love that mesh material a lot because it feels really smooth. And you can definitely see how when I actually use it for working out or when I'm running or whatever, it definitely feels really comfortable, so it's very loose as well. So it definitely looks amazing and feels amazing, but let me show you guys what the other one looks like as well. Alright, so here is the next one. So this one's like a black and red design. You can see that red design right here. This one feels the same thing as the other one. It also has a pocket as the other one as well. And one thing I do notice is that the pocket right here is not like super deep, because there are some shorts including like the Adidas pants. That one's actually much deeper. This one doesn't feel as deep. So if I try to put my phone inside right here, you're gonna see how it sticks out. Whereas my other short, it doesn't stick out as much as this one right here. So it's definitely something to kind of consider and look for when you guys do purchase these shorts. But everything else is pretty good. Definitely feels really nice and really comfortable. So you guys saw the red design, you guys saw the blue design. Let me show you guys the other 3 as well. Alright, so here's another one. So this one's like an all black design where it doesn't really have any on here, which definitely looks pretty nice and very basic. One thing that I forgot to mention is that all these shorts right here, they do have the option inside right here. So if you guys want to make it tighter or looser, you can definitely adjust it how you guys want to. But this is basically what it looks like for this one right here. Let me show you the last 2. Alright, so here is the 4th one. Definitely looks pretty nice as well. This one kind of has like a gray color or silver color right here. Everything definitely feels the same. Still has the mesh material here. And this part right here is pretty stretchable as well. So this is what this one looks like. Let me show you the last one. Alright, so here's the last one. If you can see the way how they design it, it actually looks very similar to like the Adidas brand because it has a stripe right here. But overall comfort and everything feels really nice. Definitely very stretchable like the other ones as well. Same thing for this part as well. The pockets and everything are the same, where I mentioned how it doesn't have like a really deep pocket. We definitely put stuff in here as want to. So you can see from all 5 of these designs right here, they all look really nice. So whether it's like one design or the other, you definitely have all 5 shorts that's included in this package, which is super awesome. That'll be more than enough for you guys to use it for 5 days of working out, and you can wash it over and over again if you guys need to. But this is basically what the product looks like when you guys put all 5 of these on. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys saw a quick test of the product, and definitely see it actually does work and it's quite well. Super easy to use and super easy to maintain. All you need to do is roll this into the washer and dryer to wash and dry it. And once you guys finish that, you can start wearing the product. But you see that once we put on the short, it actually looks really nice and actually feels really nice as well. Like I mentioned earlier, the shorts definitely has that like mesh material that actually makes it really nice and super comfortable. And also has that breathable option as well, so you guys don't have to worry about sweating a lot when you guys use this for like working out or whatever. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and testing on the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for these shorts, I would definitely have to say that it is super worth it if you guys want one and need one of these. Especially if you guys on a budget and if you guys need to get a lot of shorts for like working out or whatever, then this is actually a pretty good bundle to get because they provide you guys so many shorts for such a good deal and such a good price, and actually feels like a high quality shorts as well. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it'll definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.